This is a quick breakdown for the disassembly of the Elite 2. I know there's probably other sources out there for removing these lids. It's like a T5 maybe. Unfortunately, it doesn't say it on the driver that I have here, but there are 6 screws underneath the leg. Once you remove those screws, if you gently pry up, you can use a pick, guitar pick, or something else to go ahead and release the locking tabs, because there are some locking tabs here along the edge of the screen going up. Let's say, turn this around because it's actually this way. So here are the 6 screws that you removed, and then the locking tabs around the top. When you pry it apart, just be gentle. You'll have a clip here. Your battery here, if you use a small Phillips head, you can push it down on the tabs on that side to pull your battery out. In this case, I had to pull my battery out to recycle this unit. There are a couple other little miscellaneous plugs that are removed here because the wire is routed up on top, and it's just easier to remove the plug. You'll have your screen. There's some tacky, sticky 3M goo here. You can just pop the tab up on your screen, which will be this connector here. You can pop the holding connector there. There are 5, I think it was 6 small Phillips head screws that secure the battery in place. There. And then 1 small Phillips head that secures the hard drive in place there. So hopefully that gives somebody some direction here. This unit it stopped working. So one of the common problems with these that we've had in our organization is the batteries will actually swell up for whatever reason. Must be, bad semiconductors or MOSFETs or gates or whatever, resistors, transistors, something in there decides that it wants to open up the floodwaters to the battery, and then the battery will actually swell up. Hopefully not explode on you, but